So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to build the create tables in Python. So see this video start to end because I will telling you all things step by step. So now please like this video, share friends and subscribe to my channel. So I will be not take your long time. So let's do a coding with laughing. In today's video, I am telling you how to build a create a table in using Python. So now let's build it. So first of all, what you can do, first of all, you have one text editor, any text editor but it is important you have Visual Studio Code. So I have already have, so I go on to my Visual Studio Code. When I will be go, so first of all, I will be go on to my Visual Studio Code, then I will be open new window and close this window. So first of all, I go on to the file and here I will be click to the onto the new file and shortcut key is Control Alt Windows N. So when I will be click it, so first of all I give a name like table.py. This is very important to write a py. If you don't write a py, so your Python file will be not built it. So I will be build my Python file into the desktop. So I make a create file. So now what will I will be do, first of all, you write like from tabulate, import tabulate. So it will give you the error. What type of error? Let me tell you. If you doesn't have if you have command prompt, so go on to the command prompt and here write like pip install tabulate and enter press, then install this pip install tabulate. Okay, and when you install that, now you will be come on to here. So what you can do here, first of all, you write like data of your tables. So first of all, I write like that. So I write like here name, comma. Then I write like here name, comma. Then first of all, I do like that. Then I write like here place, comma. Then here I will write like gender. Then here I will be write like comma. Now here I will be write like Aman, comma. Then A, then comma, then male. Here I will be write. So now here you write like easily as name change. I write like Ryan. Okay, it is your choice what type of name you will be choose. So now here you will be write like Ali. Ali you will be write like here Ali. When you write like, so here you will be put comma, then the place I driving like America. Then I give comma, then here I will be write like male. Then I write like comma again. Then I give the name like Ali, or I give like Shara. And place I and comma. Then I place I am giving like Dubai. Then gender I am giving like female. Then when I do like that simply yes. So what you can do, let me tell you. It is very simple to write like that. So now you go on to the down and here you simply write like here print. And we learned in first class what is print in our Python playlist. And now in print you write like this. Then here you can write like tabulate. And when you write like tabulate, you write like here this. And then in here you can write like data. And when you write like data, you save from here and the save shortcut key is Control S. If the shortcut key is not working, so go on to the file and click into here save. Then run from here and this run shortcut key is Control Alt N. Okay, then run from here easily as. So it will be run it. So here you can see it is coming like name, place, gender, because in here first of all we write like name, place and gender. Now here is coming like Ryan, and here you can write like your own name, and this Ali, Sarah, you write like your own name and you will make a very big type of table. Okay, and here I write like United Kingdom. And here you can make one very big type of table also. I write like, I like copy it like this, then comma, then paste it. Then I will be run it. So here you can see it very big type of it will be built it. It is your own choice how big you will be made it. And here you can see I like paste it many times, then I will be run. So here you can see it, very big type of it will be build it. It is your own choice what type of you will be build it. You can see it. I do like that. I run it, so it will make very big table. Here you can see it. You will make very big. I am building only small. You will very big table. You will be made it using Python. So here you can see it in today's video. I will be tell you about how to create a tables in Python. And here you can see it. And you write like here your own name, any place, and here you can write like erase name. Here you can erase place. You write like here email also, and then like here United Kingdom, you write like code with Ryan at the rate gmail.com. Then run it. So that type of you will be also build it like email. Then here you can write like gender. You write like here age, and then here I will be write like age. You do like this also. Okay, this is your own choice. Like 16. So it will give him to here to you 16. It is your own choice what you will be write like here. You write like here like color. Here you write here like animal. You in age you write like here uh, what is your age. Okay, it is your own choice what type of you will be write like here, and what is your what type all thing name, and it is your own choice what you will be do. But it is that's my work. I will be tell you about how to make a, how to build a, how to create a table using Python. And if you enjoy this class, so please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So go to the on my go to on my YouTube and search here by the my channel by the name of code with PK. And when you search this my channel, so first of all go here and please subscribe and auto notification bell. And our only 100 subscribers left, then we will come on to the 8.00k. So please do it very fast, okay? And you will be support me this on Airbnb clone videos. So thanks for that. And go on to the playlist and Python playlist, and we start this Python tutorials, and we done till 89 videos also. And if you enjoying this playlist, and our many videos will become, this is our all many videos will become on to this Python tutorial. So please like this video and share this my playlist and access it and bookmark it this playlist also. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing and beautiful class of about Python tutorial or Python project or big video. So now please tell me in the comment what type of big video will be uploaded in this week, and please you are emailing me like all thing. Please email me what type of work you will be want, you want off, or you want like a small price, and then you build a one website. So I will build it for you. First of all, please Gmail me. I will build this Gmail website. So I will be made for you, and you will be give me like all things like images, pictures, all thing you will be give me. Then I will be made for you Gym website, and I will be take very small price, and I will be give you a one beautiful gym website I will be made for you. So please Gmail me if you want some softwares if you want, and if you want to make one gym website, so comment me or Gmail me. Okay, so now I'll be not take a long time, and I will be give you a Gmail into my description, and I will be telling you in this video what type my Gmail is. My Gmail is code with Ryan and 1235 @ gmail.com. This is my Gmail, so Gmail me. So now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class of Python. So for today, goodbye.